Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use speaker cleaner to remove dust and water on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Phone Manager app. Under the Tools section, just tap on More. And at the end of the page, you will find the option of speaker cleaner. Just tap on it. Now as you can see, the speaker cleaner will play a sound that vibrates the speakers to clean out dust and water. Now to start the speaker cleaner, just tap on Start. And as you can see, cleaning is completed. And if you want to clean again, just tap on Clean again. Otherwise, you can tap on Done. And this is how you can use speaker cleaner to remove dust and water on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.